guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I bring you guys something different. I'm gonna be starting the turbo build on my E46. As you can see, I already have everything off. So I had to delete my AC. That's something that I didn't want to do, but I had to because I have the top mount turbo. If I went with the bottom mount, I could have kept my EC, but I don't know, I just like the way the top mount looks. So I already got the stock exhaust manifold off and the intake off, because we're gonna have to tap into this oil line here for the turbo. And then I also have to remove the oil pan down there. I think I'm gonna have to remove the steering rack, I'm not sure, for the oil return line. So here's all the things that I got so far. I got the intercooler piping. I'm still waiting on the intercooler. I got some couplers, some clamps, the oil feed line, the oil return line, the turbo. I went with the On3 performance turbo. It's a 0.70 AR. So not bad. 7096. And then wastegate. What else? And this is the exhaust manifold. Already got the little flange for the wastegate welded on. I was gonna use my TIG welder, but I ran out of gas, so I also modified this little flange here where the turbo sits. It came with a T3, but I welded on a T4 because that's the turbo I want to run. I want to be running the T4 turbo. I think it's just way better than a T3. So yeah, this is a T4 flange. As you can see, the weld doesn't look pretty good, but it does the job. I wish I had my TIG welder. It would look a lot better. But anyways, what else? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, the gaskets. These are really important. This is the one for the turbo, the T4, and then these are for the exhaust manifold. And let me tell you guys why I bought these. So my exhaust manifold, it came with some cheap gaskets. These right here. So I just threw them away. I don't recommend you guys using these. As you can see, the inside's all paper, so they don't hold up pretty well. When I bought my headers for my E46, it came with the same gaskets, some cheap gaskets, and after like a week it started leaking. So I don't recommend you guys using it. It's all trash, throw it away, and get yourself some metal gaskets, a lot better quality. And what else? I think I have the box around here, somewhere in here. Maybe I can show you guys the part number. Nope, I think I threw it away. Oh, it's right here. Oh. Yeah, but I got those at AutoZone, and I got these for the M3, for the E36 M3, but they all fit the M54 engine. The reason why was because the original M54 gaskets, they have like a little heat shield, so that's why. And then plus these are cheaper. These are like 25 bucks. So not bad. Like I got these at AutoZone, and I think they come with a 1-year warranty. And then this one I got it on Amazon. And then this is the oil feed line for the turbo. So this is gonna go into here, and then this hose is gonna go here, and then the feed line is gonna go on top. I'll show you guys when I put it on. So that's all that I can think of. What else? So yeah, this is all I got right here. Like I said, I'm still waiting for a couple parts, including the intake, the intercooler, injectors, and what else? Oh, and the downpipe for the turbo. I'm gonna be running a 3-inch. I wanted to go with the 4-inch, but I don't think it's gonna fit through here. Right now I have the jack under the engine. That's why there's more room. But once I lower it, it's gonna have like a 3 to 4 inches space. So I'm gonna go with the 3-inch, and then when it gets down here, I'm gonna go 4 all the way to the back. So I'm gonna start with the exhaust manifold. I'm probably gonna make a part 1 and a part 2, because there's a lot of things going on, and you want to take your time. Alright guys, so I want to show you guys this. This is a copper gasket sealer, and all you do is spray this on your gaskets, and it'll give you a much better seal. I always use this. And never had any issue, and it works pretty good. So I'm gonna use this, and hopefully you want to do both sides. That's a lot. That should be good. Okay, so I got the gaskets in. Now it's time to mount the headers. The exhaust manifold. Okay guys, got the exhaust manifold on. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna order some studs for the manifold, because some of them were stripped, like that one over there, and there's a couple of them that were stripped. So I'm gonna order new ones, and hopefully the thread on the head are not damaged. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It's solid. So the next step will be to test fit the turbo. I'm pretty sure it fits. Before I welded it, I was test fitting it, and it was all fine. But I'm gonna cut the video right here. I want to keep it short, so I'm gonna make a second part, and that's gonna be installing the turbo and the wastegate. And then probably on part 3, we might do a first startup. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.